Hello everyone, I'm teacher Erica from English Across the World. Welcome to my channel. In this series, I am teaching basic grammar for beginners. If you haven't already, check out some of the previous lessons in this series that will help you follow along in this one. All right, so let's get into it. Today we are going to work on nouns. What is a noun? A noun is generally a person, a place, or a thing. So let's discuss common nouns and proper nouns. A common noun is any thing, person, or place, such as girl, book, city. And a proper noun is the name of a person, a place, or a thing, such as Anna, Romeo and Juliet, New York. As you can see, proper nouns always start with an uppercase or big letter. Now let's talk about singular and plural nouns. Singular means one, and plural means more than one. So that can be any number above 1. 2, 3, 10, 100, and so on. Here are some more examples of singular nouns. Car, dog, hand. Now let's make these nouns plural. To make a noun plural, we just add an S or an ES to most nouns. Cars, dogs, hands. When we use singular nouns in a sentence, we usually add an article before it, such as a or an. When we use plural nouns, we do not use an article. For example, I have a book. He has a dog. I have 2 hands. Now, there are some nouns that do not follow this rule, and these are called irregular plurals, and they change in a different way. Like person, 1 person, 2 people. Or some of them don't change at all, like fish. 1 fish, 2 fish. But we will review more of these in another lesson. So once you know the different types of words, we can work on putting these words together correctly to make complete sentences in English. Make sure to download the PDF below, which contains some common nouns for you to practice, and also an attached worksheet for you to work on at home. This will ensure that you or your child will really absorb the material from this lesson. And of course, don't forget to like this video and subscribe below. See you in the next one. Keep practicing.